Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is February the 8th, 2019. This is the home of the 2-minute price prediction as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. We're going to talk about XRP paired against USD today. Now, if you watched our video last time about XRP, we said that why XRP is going to trade around 20 cents. Now, today you can see that the market is up about 9.25%. Last trade was around 32 cents. I'm asking you all the question that should you sell into this up move that we're currently seeing in XRP. This is a strength bar that we're seeing on the daily price chart. I don't want to get you all confused on that notion, but I want you all to tell me, do you think you should sell as XRP's move to the upside, or should you continue to buy more XRP as we're seeing this price increase? When you look at XRP, we have been telling you all that this ascension line in the market for XRP is a very crucial, important area. Today, XRP is finally closing above that as of this particular moment. So now, this switches our analysis somewhat from it continuing to move to the downside, because we have stated numerous times when we did our analysis for XRP that it had to stay above this ascension line. And right now, we're definitely seeing indication that it wants to trade higher. Looking at XRP on the 3-hour chart, you can still see here when it happened in the market that we was able to break through it because we received a lot of stockpile on this 3-hour bar, but the market neglected that fact and said no, it did not want to move lower. And now we're currently back up here to another area of resistance. Okay. So now, as we trade throughout the weekend, definitely XRP is already having a hard time breaking through this 32.5-cent price. So literally, I'm still expecting XRP to hold consolidation at that area. I'm not expecting it to really break above this price unless we get continuation of strength coming in the market. Okay. So with all of this volume that came in on this 3-hour bar can insinuate that the strength is going to be maintained. We can't tell that unless we look at it on a smaller time frame. So here we are right here. Looking at it on the 1-hour bars, over the last 2 hours, the market did get inundated with some sellers, okay? But it was able to be brought back up above 32 cents. Taking a look at XRP on the 30-minute bars, strength is still in the market, okay? But the only hurdle is that 32.5-cent price. Considering that we've seen this enormous amount of volume and strength come into space to push us back up to 32.5 cents, lets me know that we're at least going to trade around that particular price a little while longer. Okay, we have broken through some very crucial resistance areas in XRP. The first one was right here at 30.5 cents. The second one's at 31 cents. And then the third one's at 31.5 cents. All those areas have been broken to the upside, which is positive for XRP to at least maintain its consolidation a little while longer. The only problem now that lies for XRP to continue to move to the upside is 32.5 cents, which is resistance for this coin. So the analysis for XRP going forward for us is for it to hold consolidation still. 32.5 cents is resistance. I could see it coming down to 31.5 cents in the near term to try to act as support. And if it does, then XRP is going to try to move and break above 32.5 cents that has been plaguing it as resistance right now. So the analysis is quite simple. Yes, the market is having a pretty good day today in XRP, but I just want you all to get complacent and think that you're going to miss out on a particular move, because it has to break above that 32.5 cents before I will literally change my analysis of it moving to the upside. Okay. Don't forget that the overall trend in XRP is still one of a downtrend. Now I can see us consolidating somewhat. Let me go ahead and draw this for you all real quick to show you how XRP has been transitioning over into one of consolidation, right? So this is the resistance area right now for XRP to hold that consolidation, and this is the support area that is being formed for XRP in this consolidation range. So the market actually may be consolidating, okay? So we can see XRP come up here to that 35 cent price. I would just like for it to break above that 32.5 cent area before I would change my analysis. So as of right now, I'm looking for XRP to hold that consolidation. Right here, the support area is around 28.5 cents. Resistance is all the way up there at 35. Okay, but my video that I did the last time for XRP still stands. I'm still expecting XRP to continue its move to the downside, but that was my long-term price objective for XRP. Right now, it's a pretty good day. But as we continue to go out throughout 2019, I will be expecting XRP to try to continue to move to the downside. But if the overall global economy begins to slow substantially, then I would be expecting more and more people to try to come into the crypto space to try to find a safe haven from all of the collapses that is going on in the other markets. That as well would change my analysis. So it is something that I'm keeping on the forefront, but we're not seeing that as of yet. So I'm still looking for XRP to continue its move to the downside. But if anything changes, then definitely I will have to change my analysis too. This is just the way that the market has to be played. So I'm still looking for that consolidation going on in the market for XRP. Today, the market is definitely trying to tell us that it is trying to maintain its ability to not fall below our ascension line that we got drawn on this chart. Okay, so that's our analysis. That is what we're expecting XRP to do in the future. And if anything changes, again, you all know that we'll go ahead and change our analysis with it as well. But currently, I'm still expecting this market in XRP to continue to hold that consolidational area. And I have just pinpointed it out. So just go back and watch the video. You guys can see it again. So that is our analysis. Make sure you all maintain your profitability. If this is your first time, make sure that you all go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this content. We do have a website. You guys can go to HueFinancial.com, and there we got more tools, more things for us to display and share with you all. If you want to learn more about language analysis, we do have a paid service on our Patreon page as well. It's only $3 a month, 10 cents a day. You guys will have our daily analysis for the top 10 cryptocurrencies paired against BTC. Okay, not the USD, but BTC or Bitcoin. If you guys want to know more about that, the link's going to be in the description as well for you all to sign up. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.